In today's video, I will show you how to get a refund from MyHeritage. To begin, open your web browser and log into your MyHeritage account. Once you are on your homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Help icon, then select Contact Us from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, click on Billing and Charges to view your transaction history. Next, you will see your charge description along with options for your next steps. Click on Request a Refund and then click the orange Request a Refund button that appears. You will then be prompted to share the details of your request. Once you submit this, the MyHeritage team will carefully review your case and contact you about the next steps. Keep in mind that as of 2026, MyHeritage typically offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for subscription plans, though the review process may take a few business days. If you have already deleted your account or cannot find your login information, you can still submit a request. Find the refund article in the Help Center and click No at the bottom where it asks if the information was helpful. Then, click on the link for this form. From there, click on Billing and Charges, choose Request a Refund, and click Continue. You will be able to submit a ticket to the support team. Just be sure to attach a proof of payment to help them locate your charge and process the refund more quickly. And that's it. That's how you get a refund from MyHeritage. Thank you for watching.